Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another 2020 print-on-demand sites that you should be using. So today we are going to talk about Printed Mink. So I recently signed up for Printed Mink, ordered a sample, and I'm here to just tell you guys a little bit about the website, what you should expect, and about the different sites that they integrate with. So they integrate with Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace. Now, WooCommerce and Squarespace are in the soon to come fields. And the thing about this website that is a little bit different, in order to integrate, you must email support to integrate your store. So that is a little different, but I also want to call Printed Mink the bougie print-on-demand site. So I've known about Printed Mink for years. It just, I don't know. It just didn't seem like that was the right site for me. But right now, I am super open to reviewing more sites and telling you guys more information about them and helping you to get started and making sure I leave no stone unturned when it comes to the print-on-demand business. I want to be the one that you come to for all things print on demand. I should at least try out all the sites, right? So if you guys have any sites that you would want me to do a review on, do a setup on, make sure you leave that in the comment section. I do have a running list of different websites that you guys have already mentioned before. Please forgive me if I don't get on them as fast, but know that I'm making a list to make sure I check out those sites and bring these videos to you. Another reason why it will take so long, that shipping with a lot of these companies are taking a very long time, so I may not be able to get my items as fast as possible. So I'm going to show you guys an overview of the Printed Mink site, and I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of my t-shirt that I got from there, and I'm super excited about this because their packaging and custom packaging is amazing. Overview of Printed Mink. This is the Printed Mink website. They also do wholesale, and I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about the website. In another video that I have, you can learn how to set up your Printed Mink store and integrate it with your Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, or WooCommerce site. So here it just gives you a little bit about why to choose Printed Mink. It gives you their products. Let me scroll down just a little bit so we can see maybe a full length. Accessories, apparel, baby, kids, holiday, home goods, mugs, drinkware, pets, and tech products as well. So they have resources here, product alerts, custom packaging, FAQ. Everyone needs to be familiar with a website's FAQ. Some of the questions you guys ask me, I cannot answer because I do not work for these print-on-demand sites. But every question you ask, other than if it was something that I designed in the video, could be answered by using the FAQ or the contact button on the print-on-demand website. You want to know about shipping and returns and shipping info? All of that stuff is here available on Printed Mink. Having issues with logging in or setting up your design, I'm sure you can get some helpful information from these articles. They also have a blog, and again, their contact us button. So we are going to go over the website real quick. So it has no minimums. You have no inventory. They do have really cute branding and packaging. I can't wait to show you guys how the package looks once I open it up on camera for you. Designing products, how to make it super easy for you to upload. And then what's that big blank white space? Explore the custom packaging, how to beautifully design your products, over 100 different products. Again, integration with these sites, and then they have some of their future products right here. I really love this frosted mug glass, and I think I'm going to order one for my business. And then just a review here, and then blog posts and information about open up a wholesale account here as well. So then they have their Instagram feed. So that is the overview of the Printed Mink website. Hey guys, I am here with my unboxing from printed make. And I decided to do a different scenery. If you hear an echo, it's because the floors in here are hardwood. Okay. So, as we talked before, I got the packaging with my sticker on the outside. So I did deluxe. So it has my logo on the outside. It says shipping department. Does not have my business name on it. So I ordered a shirt. Can't remember what shirt I ordered, but I ordered a shirt. So inside, I automatically see the crinkle. So the black crinkle that I wanted. I have inside a packing sheet with my logo. And I ordered the Bella Canvas shirt. So it's my logo. I ordered this on the 20th. Today is the 26th. So 6 days. I think it shipped out quicker than that. It comes with a garment card. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. And it is packaged nice and neat. It has my brand sticker on it. Has the size of the shirt. It's a medium. I always wear, most of the time I wear Bella Canvas. So I know to buy a medium because that's the fit for me. Let me tell y'all, this look like printful quality. So that is another site that you can use because the quality is good. The sun is going down, but I hope you guys can see that. The quality is good. Here, I'm going to try to put that up as close as I can. The quality is really good. Let's see. Let's lay down some. Yeah, the quality on that is really good. Really good. Looks really good to me. I'm satisfied. I am super satisfied. It looks so good. So that is my unbox it from Printed Make. I don't know if I signed up for their affiliate, but if I did, the link is in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this and get to use Printed Make in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy that overview of Printed Make. And remember, you can check out all of my courses and tutorials at gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. You can check out my podcast, Coins and Connections, on all available open podcast platforms. And if you want to shop with me, you can shop with me at www.coinsandconnections.com. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.